Transform your kitchen into a haven of gourmet possibilities with the Soday pots and pans set. This 12-piece non-stick cookware ensemble promises not just a collection of kitchen tools, but an investment in the art of cooking. Let's delve into what makes this set a game changer for your culinary endeavors. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Soday pots and pans set is not just cookware, but an investment in culinary excellence. Premium granite quality. At the heart of this cookware set lies a superior granite coating, ensuring not only durability but also exceptional non-stick properties. The result? Cooking becomes a breeze, and your kitchen is equipped for a new level of culinary excellence. Say goodbye to sticking and stubborn residues, embrace a non-toxic and safe cooking experience. Rapid and even heat distribution. The durable aluminum core embedded in these pots and pans is a game changer. It not only heats up rapidly but ensures even distribution of heat, providing you with the precision required for culinary perfection. From quick sautés to slow simmers, these pans have got you covered. Compatible with all stovetops, versatility is key, and this cookware set embraces it wholeheartedly. Whether you cook on gas, electric, or induction stovetops, rest assured that these pans are designed to shine on any cooking surface. Effortless cleaning. Simplify your kitchen routine with the Soday cooking set. Designed for easy cleaning and maintenance, these pots and pans don't require extensive scrubbing. A simple wipe with a paper towel or a rinse with water reduces both time spent and water wasted in the kitchen. Durable Bakelite handle. No more worries about burning your fingers while handling hot pots and pans. The cookware set features Bakelite handles with heat-resistant properties, ensuring a comfortable grip and safe handling. The perspective glass lids are not just functional, but also add an ergonomic touch, allowing you to monitor your culinary creations effortlessly. Versatile cooking set. The 12-piece kitchen cookware set includes an array of essentials: 9-inch and 11-inch frying pans, an 11-inch sauté pan with lid, a 4/3-quart saucepan with lid and steamer, and a 1/5-quart saucepan with lid. The set is rounded off with a silicone shovel spoon and tongs, making it ideal for your daily cooking adventures. Reliable after-sale guarantee. Your satisfaction is paramount. If by any chance you receive a defective non-stick pots and pans set due to delivery, don't hesitate to reach out. Soday stands by its commitment to customer satisfaction, ensuring you a full refund or a new replacement. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.